Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Prakritiyan from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I'm going to present about procedure of GI registration and research methodology and research intellectual method, which comes under the subject research methodology and intellectual property. Contents are acts, laws and rules pertaining to GI, overview of GI legal framework, explanation of GI protection, importance of GI compliance, ownership of GI, understanding GI ownership, differentiating ownership, rights granted to GI holders, role of GI holders. Acts, laws and rules pertaining to GI. Geographical indications are protected by a range of acts, laws, and regulations. Understanding these legal frameworks is crucial for ensuring the protection and recognition of GI products. Overview of GI legal framework, relevant regulations, and in-depth overview of the legal framework surrounding the protection of geographical indications, compliance importance, and understanding the critical importance of compiling with the laws and regulations related to GI. Research methodology plays a crucial role in the geographical indications registration process. It involves systematic investigation, documentation, and analysis of various aspects related to the product, its geographical origin, unique qualities, and traditional production methods. Here's why research is essential in the GI registration process and its objectives. Importance of research in the GI registration process, evidence-based documentation, legal compliance, stakeholders engagement, market differentiation. Research objectives, documenting geographical origin, identify the specific geographical area or region from which the product originates, gather historical, geographical, and cultural information to documentation the product's origin and its significance to the region, identifying unique qualities, conduct sensory evaluations, chemical analysis, and other scientific studies to identify the unique qualities and characteristics of the product, determine how environmental factors such as soil composition, climate, and topography contribute to the product's distinctive attributes. Understanding traditional production methods, document the traditional methods and practices used in the production of the product, explore the cultural and historical significance of these traditional methods and their role in shaping the product's identity. Explanation of GI protection, legal safeguards, detailed explanation of the acts, laws, and regulations are aimed to protecting geographical indications, enforcement mechanism, insights into the mechanisms used to enforce the protection of geographical indications. Importance of GI compliance, consumer trust, global recognition. Consumer trust, compliance with GI laws aids in building and maintaining consumer trust in the authenticity of the products. Global recognition, it ensures a globally recognized standard for the authenticity and equality of GI products. Here's a general procedure of GI registration and research methodology and research intellectual method. Research and documentation, conduct thorough research on the product's geographical origin, its unique qualities, and its historical significance. Document all relevant information regarding the product, including its traditional methods of production, cultural importance, and any other distinctive characteristics. Formation of a GI association or group. Establish an association or a group comprising producers, stakeholders, and experts from the geographical region associated with the product. This association will be responsible for coordinating the GI registration process and representing the interest of the producers. Preparations of application. Prepare a comprehensive application for GI registration. The application should include detailed information about the product, its geographical origin, its unique characteristics, and the traditional methods of production. Provide evidence to support the claim that the product's qualities are inherently linked to its geographical origin. Legal assistance. Seek legal advice and assistance from experts specializing in intellectual property law, particularly in the area of geographical indications. Ensure that the application compiles with the requirements of the relevant GI laws and regulations in our jurisdiction. Submission of application. Submit the application for GI registration to the designated authority responsible for intellectual property rights or geographical indications in your country. Include all required documentation such as detailed descriptions, maps of the geographical area, historical evidence, and any other supporting materials. Examination and publication. The designated authority will examine the application to ensure that it meets the criteria for GI registration. If the application meets the requirements, it will be published in the official gazette or a similar publication or public notice. And opposition by interested parties. Opposition period. There may be a period during which interested parties can file oppositions to the GI registration. The GI association or group should be prepared to respond to any other objections raised during this period. Registration and protection. If there are no valid oppositions or if they are successfully resolved, the GI will be officially registered. Once registered, the GI is legally protected and only producers from the designated geographical area who adhere to the specified production methods can use the GI to label their products. Enforcement and monitoring. Establish establish mechanisms for enforcing the GI rights and monitoring compliance with the regulations. Monitor the use of GI by producers to ensure that only authorized products are labeled with the GI. Renewal and maintenance. GI registrations typically have valid period after which they must be renewed to remain in force. Ensure timely renewal of the GI registration to maintain its protection. Understanding GI ownership, legal structure, understanding the legal framework surrounding the ownership of geographical indications, community collaboration, examining the collaborative ownership models within local communities, differentiating ownership, collective GI ownership, details about collective ownership models of geographical indications by communities or associations, individual GI ownership, key difference between individual and collective ownership of geographical indications. Rights granted to GI holders, understanding rights, detailed explanation of the rights granted to holders of geographical indications, responsibilities, discussion of the benefits and responsibilities that come with being a holder of geographical indications. GI holder benefits, marketing advantage, how GI rights can provide a significant marketing advantage for the holders of geographical indications. Product integrity, details about the role of GI rights in maintaining and safeguarding the integrity of the products. Brand promotion, it is essential for holders to effectively promote the brand through marketing activities. Quality assurance, ensuring the quality and authenticity of products is a primary responsibility of GI holders. Commitment, GI holders must remain committed to upholding the standards and values associated with the products. Thank you.